one of the fuel lines. I assume these are the ones. One on top goes in, one on the bottom goes back out to the tank. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top one out, start the engine, and see if there's any fuel coming out of it. Look. Fucking hell. Seems like it's stuck.